What's up friends, and welcome to this video. Friends, I will show with you how you can connect your LinkedIn account with n8n. So friends, the first step you need to do, you should be create app on your LinkedIn. For example, this is app I created just now, and then click at first step, click create workflow. At first step, from the search for LinkedIn, I click this one, and from here guys, click this create post, and then from here right fill it this all information guys. Click create new credential here, as you can see here on my screen, and then click you have two options guys. You have management here, and you have connect directly from this option. If you click this here, click client ID, you should be copy this client ID and copy this code, secret code client, and then click connect my account. You can see here I connected successfully without any problems. Thanks for friends for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible guys. You can just click setting, from here click delete. You can create app. For example, I want to delete this app, and then click new app to get this client ID and secret